Hi guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today my left turn signal started blinking a little faster than normal. This is what it's supposed to look like normally, and this is what my left turn signal looks like right now. If you got the same problem, chances are one of the bulbs is bad, otherwise it might be a blinker fluid level too low. Luckily for me, I just got a bad bulb. To replace the bulb, there's usually some sort of door in the trunk of your car where you can access the headlights bulbs. I'm going to be using a trim removal tool to avoid scratching the panel to open this access door. Now you simply need to take out and replace the bad bulb. When you finish, replace the plastic cover and then test the turn signal to make sure it's working properly. If your blinker fluid level is too low, you've got much bigger problem on your hands that I cannot address in this video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.